Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox and review outdoor, waterproof, CCTV power supply. Before starting the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon for more informative videos. Let's start the video. First, here is the box. Every product detail mentioned on box in Chinese language. Let's open the box. There is only supply in box. Product detail also mentioned at supply in Chinese language. Input-output voltage are mentioned. Supply made up of ABS plastic. From upside it's totally closed, water cannot get in. By clicking this knob you can open power supply. Here is the main supply. These 2 points for power input. This is DC pin for supply to camera. Wires can enter by this side. This supply takes 220 volt AC input and output 12 volt DC and 2.5 amperes. In next video, we will show you how to connect this power supply. I hope you liked the video. For more informative videos, like, share, and subscribe.